Okay, 101.1 Smart FM, Smart Up, your live. Hi everyone, welcome back in our conversation tonight. Actually, this is collaborating between BPC Makassar and Smart FM Makassar. So actually, we have interest topic today, but before that, I would like to invite you, smart listener, to join with us. Actually, you can directly to watch YouTube Smart FM Makassar, and also you can chat in the WhatsApp 0811461011. Okay, can wait you guys to join with our conversation tonight. So yeah, actually I'm not alone here. I with my friend from BPC Makassar. Can you give applause, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, actually we are from BPC Makassar, and yeah, perhaps is there anyone can explain about BPC? Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you. So BPEC is Benteng Panjua English Club, one of the biggest English community in Makassar, South Sulawesi, and in BPEC we actually conduct the lovely Sunday meeting. We have like who am I? It's something that we can know each other like introduce introduce our self with the others, and the second we have like ice breaking, and the third we have D&D debate discussion and debate session, and the fourth we have entertainment and also building skill. The last we have announcement. Can invite you guys to join us in lovely Sunday meeting. Free to join us.
Okay then, thank you for sister. So yeah, actually it will be better for us if we introduce ourselves together, right? So perhaps start from me. Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Farlaksan Saputra, but in BPC, my friends call me Achang, and right now I'm studying at Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Okay, perhaps next for you, sister.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Hello, smart listener. My name is Andi Nur Inayatolaini, but you can call me Aini. I am from Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Okay, thank you, Aini. Next, brother.
Oh, hi. I'm Muhammad Edi, and you can call me Edi, and I am a student of English literature at the State University of Makassar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother Eddie. And next.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will introduce myself. My full name is Abdullah bin Pamungkas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Sugminasa and I study in Muhammadiyah University of Makassar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother Wahid. And next.
Hello, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Budi Susiarso, but you can call me Budi. I'm just a regular guy in regular city. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kabudi. And next.
Okay, hello. My name is Nur Amalia Putri, but you can call me Lia. I just graduated from Makassar State University, and it's such an honor to be here.
Okay, thank you, Sister Leah. So yeah, actually we have interest topic here. Can someone guess about our topic today?
Virtual police.
Yeah, sure, nice. Actually, smart listener, we are going to talk about virtual police. So yeah, I have some question for all of you guys. Because we have a nice narasumber here. So I wanna ask you one by one. Perhaps start from you, sister. Yeah. So actually, yeah, because we are going to talk about virtual police based on your perspective. What is definition of virtual police itself?
Okay, thank you for the opportunity that given to me. So, when I listen or we heard something that we call virtual, it means that it's conduct in the media, right?
Yeah.
In the like in the social media, perhaps, or media massa, or something that we actually cannot touch directly. Um, Virtual police means that the police that catch the perpetrators, or the how to say the crime based on the in the media, like something that we call the crime based on the virtual. Maybe, for example, how to say, pencemaran nama baik, how to say, or bad comment, or how to say, or something that actually bad in the criminal base on the virtual.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Sister Aini. So yeah, next, what about you, brother? So based on your perspective, what is definition about virtual police?
All right, that's a nice question. And so virtual police. When we talk about virtual police, it's a unit that is created by the general. I'm sorry. Um, wait, the Indonesian National Police General, um, whose job is to prevent or to go against all the cyber criminals, all the criminals that are on the internet, whether it's texts or and actions that are captured, and yeah, so that's my opinion, I think.
Okay, thank you, brother. So what about brother Wahid? Yeah, what is definition about virtual police based on your perspective?
Okay, virtual police, yeah, I check from compass.com, yeah.
Okay.
Virtual police is the unit come from our Kapolri, General Lisio Sigit Prabowo, as the response of instruction of our president Joko Widodo, in order our police be careful to apply what's that pasal-pasal in UU ITE, Undang-Undang Transaksi Informasi dan Transaksi Elektronik. And then yeah, we can say like virtual police is the police in the social media. The police like they secure us from like the bad criminal in social media, like a black market or Sara or hate speech, bullying, or terrorism or something like that in bad in virtual network. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, brother Wahid. So actually, we already know about the virtual police itself. So move to Kak Budi. So what are benefits of having virtual police in our country? Do you think?
It's a really hard question, yeah, because and also it's a really hard topic to talk about because yeah, talking about police institution in live broadcast is kind of uncomfortable because I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared talking about them. They have they can whatever. Yeah. But I think the benefit or what
Yeah, virtual police.
I think the benefit of virtual police is basically like it's just like let's just say virtual police is just like netizen in internet, but they have power, especially in law, so they can. I think they can really choose, really maybe choose or maybe yeah, choose who are the ones that can harm the freedom of speech. Maybe like they make such a bad comments, or maybe like they do hate speech. So yeah, those kind of people they are the target of this virtual police because in this internet era, especially in social media, people can easily make can ruin someone's life. Like they can say bad things to other people and they can ruin their life. Like those people can maybe do damage to themselves. So that's why maybe this cyber division of Polri creating this virtual police. But of course, I think yeah, it's one of the benefits. But yeah, of course, this thing has pros and cons. But yeah, that's it from me.
Okay, so actually I do agree about you, brother, because right now people easily to access anything. That's why the police should be follow this era, right? To like do virtual police to prevent or give secure for the society itself. Okay, actually this is the nice benefit for virtual police. So what about your sister Lisa? Eh, yeah, Leah. Okay.
Okay, so virtual police hopefully can decrease the number of hoax or like inappropriate posts or content or something like that, so that it can prevent the fight or argument among the citizens.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, actually, we can fight the netizen which they do hate speech, for example, right? And that is very important for the police to prevent about that. Okay, thank you, Sister Leah. So yeah, we move to okay. Actually, we will back after conferential break. Don't go anywhere, guys. Bye bye.